Loaded and a 10 and clears the front of the stalls. Clint to settle. Racing in the Longines Singapore Gold Cup for 2012, and Arowana.com and Lazar began well. Deep Pockets and also Clint going forward, and Flax is rolling up there. Mitre Peak's just kicking forward inside of him, and Cash Luck goes forward. Down by the winning post the first time, Cash Luck led over Mitre Peak. Flax has gone up 3 wide. He might get it into a one-off trail here as they go out of the straight, and it's Mitre Peak ahead of Flax. So that's the first good move of the race, with Flax getting one off the fence. Cash Luck is third on the fence, followed by Devonshire a little keener. Then Better Life over on the inside. Lazar. Clint caught out wide from Sakima. Zach Influence. Arowana.com. Next of all is Deep Pockets, who's back in the second half of the field, followed by Tenzing, then Fighter Jet. Hint over between horses. Then came next of all Martial Art, and last of all as they race down the back is Morris Trillo. Midway down the back, 1,400 metres to go. Not a great deal of speed on here with Mitre Peak showing the way over Flax the outside. Cash Luck third the fence, followed by Devonshire. Then Lazar over on the inside of Better Life. Out 3 wide is Clint. Sakima in the red, joined on the inside by Zach Influence. Next of all is Deep Pocket, spotting the leader about 10 lengths. Tenzing over on the fence, followed by the grey Arowana.com. Hint picked up a little bit of ground, then Martial Art, well back Fighter Jet, and near the tail is Morris Trillo, about to turn down the side. 1,000 metres to go in the Longines Singapore Gold Cup. Mitre Peak has made play from the outset. Led over Flax, who's had a fairly nice run on the outside. Cash Luck just off them. They were followed by Devonshire. Lazar over on the fence. Clint's been wide throughout. Then came Better Life, trying to improve between horses. Then Sakima, Martial Art, Zach Influence sneaking up on the rails. Next is Deep Pockets, about 6 from the leader. Then Tenzing, a hint. Morris Trillo's a fair way back as they turn. And last of all, as they turn into the straight, is Fighter Jet. For home they come. Mitre Peak is joined by Flax. Cash Luck, Devonshire. Lazar gets the run through. They were followed by Zach Influence, and here's Better Life chiming in down the outside, and Deep Pockets coming with it. Flax is just in front of Mitre Peak, but Better Life the mare zoomed up on the outside. Deep Pockets and Morris Trillo come from the back. Better Life in front in the cup. Deep Pockets getting there on the outside. Morris Trillo running on. Better Life in front. Deep Pockets. Morris Trillo trying to get there, but another one for the Master Takaoka, and Better Life won the cup by a length over Morris Trillo and Deep Pockets. Fourth in was Tenzing, followed by Sakima. Zach Influence. Next across was Lazar. Then came Cash Luck. Flax dropped off, followed by Mitre Peak. Then Hint, Martial Art. Well back was Arowana.com, Devonshire, Clint, and one of the last to come across the line was Fighter Jet.